Dr. Satyanarayana sir, tell me, which is most important thing in life? Lot of wealth or lot of wisdom? Tell me.
Wisdom.
Wisdom is more important because why? Can you tell me why wisdom is so important in life? Than just lot of money and lot of name,
money,
fame, reputation.
Health, wealth can come and go.
Yes,
but
sir.
wisdom it will go.
Very good, very good. You are very correct, sir.
We can share.
A wise man can be more comfortable and happy. Even Diogenes, without anything, he was happiest because when Alexander said, had I been not Alexander the Great, I could be preferring to be Diogenes the Great. And then Diogenes the dog replied, if I were not Diogenes the dog, I could be trying to become again Diogenes the dog because he was contented. He knows that material possessions, post power, they are just temporary illusion, confusion. Man is corrupt. Not even a single man is honest. All are criminals, cunning, cheating, defeating, beating, massacring, no feelings for any creature. So wisdom is to love all, respect all, and be contented. Be contented. So when Alexander wanted to become that Diogenes the Great because he was the wisest. And Plato used to call him Socrates gone mad. So sir, you answered very correctly.
Yes.
Wisdom is more important than anything else. Example you give. Can you give me an example, Sati Babu? Buddha the Great.
Yes.
Gautama Siddhartha Buddha. He renounced material possessions, power, positions. He was the prince.
Vivekananda is the great.
Vivekananda was also great.
Yes.
But Vivekananda was a toy before Buddha. Vivekananda was like me, just like me, like you. I don't know how much you are.
Another said, yes, you are almost.
No. Vivekananda was knowing somebody's philosophy, bhai. Vivekananda was not giving a new philosophy, bhai. You understand?
Yes.
Buddha gave a new philosophy of life. Vivekananda is interpreting all the religious scriptures of India. That is great. You understand?
Yes.
Vivekananda is not Buddha. Vivekananda is not Jesus. Vivekananda is not Muhammad Paigambar. Vivekananda did not give any religion. You understand, Guruji?
Yes.
Vivekananda interpreted, in the true sense of the term, Indian greatness of the wisdom of the Stoics and sages. See, one aphorism or verse is very famous for you. Uttishtat
Tistat, Jagrat,
Jagrat
Varani Bodhat,
Prapyo Varani Bodhat
Shurasya Dhara,
Surasya Dhara
Nishitha,
Nishitha Durastya
Shurasya
Durgam Patyat.
Patyat.
Kavyo Badanti. So he was interpreter. He was not Buddha. See, I have read Vivekananda's some of the writings. He always quote Buddha. Buddha was a landmark, sir. Vivekananda was just like a wise man, very intelligent man, very good man. But Vivekananda was not a prophet. Vivekananda was interpreter of the wisdom, like me, like you. Understand, sir? He was a great monk of India. He knows the truth, but he was not Buddha or Jesus. Jesus follower at 63%. Tell me.
Yes.
Muhammad prophet are also 1/4 of the population. 2 billion citizens of the world are Islam. Buddhism eroded by all these hypocrites from different parts. So that is the wisdom. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.